If you recall last video, we talked about RVs are not built to live in full time. We talked about things are going to break. As an example, remember we talked about this. It just broke. I plugged something in, I pulled it out, and it just pulled it down. I've got to replace that. So I wanted to fix this. As I lean on the table, I put my weight on the table to get up to it because the table's in the way. I should have taken the table down. To show you what happened when I put my weight on this table. There it is. I did it myself. Right there. I snapped the table right in two. This is repairable. If you'll take a look at it here, it's actually not a solid board. It's two boards. If this had been one solid board, this would not have broken with me simply pushing down on it, my weight. But to be honest with you, I'm not worried about this. What I've decided to do is go ahead and take all of this out of and put something else in here. This is a lot of wasted space. This is like 28 square feet that I hardly ever use. If I have any doubt about if I'm doing the right thing, too late now. It takes up a lot of room. You'll see a lot of RVers do this. The only thing I used it for was a pile of stuff on top of the table. I can use the fabric though. I'm gonna keep the fabric and the wood. This is a job. This is another fine mess I've gotten myself into.
Well, here's another nice mess you've gotten me into.
Well, I got the benches out, and I have to say that was considerable effort. Many times I've thought about doing this. The furniture was high quality. There's no question about it. But here's the issue. I virtually have increased my space by 24 square feet. This was wasted space. I never used it. And I assure you, I'm not the first RVer to do this. I don't know what I'm going to put in here, but it's going to be better than what was here. Now, I'm gonna get some use out of this space. And I want to tell you one more thing. That vacuum flush system, I'm done with that. It's working out okay. So I'm just gonna leave that the way it is for now. I'm not gonna get involved in that. I hope you get something out of this video. I know it's boring stuff. It's not exciting. And so I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video. By the way, I'm open to suggestions if you have any idea what I can do with this space. But it's going to be better, I promise. It was a shame to throw all that furniture away. It's good furniture. Well, thank you for being here. It's really neat having you along with us. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and be part of us, follow along with us. And I try to put up something at least once a week that's interesting, that has value to it, something that you can get some use out of. And I thank you very much. And we will catch up with you later.